Yeah, so Mega Bangna is actually one of these places which is really good if you move to Bangkok and you need to buy some appliances or you need to buy some furniture, towels. Then this is a perfect mall where you can just find everything. Good afternoon. I'm here at the Mega Bangna, which is a big shopping mall here in Bangkok. And the reason why I'm here is because we have to go and get something from IKEA, and this is the place where you could find the first IKEA in Bangkok, first IKEA in Thailand, and there's another IKEA now at the Central West Gate, but this is the original one. Yeah, so the Mega Bangna is a very big mall. I mean, it's on the Bangna Highway, and the easiest way to get here if you live in the city is to take you can take the BTS to Udum Suk station, and from Udum Suk there is free buses that either bring you to IKEA or to the Mega Bangna Mall. So let me show you around a little bit. Of course, now during the COVID times it's not so busy, but I can still show you around a little bit. So I'm walking now in the direction of IKEA. Yeah, we just need to buy some things, and also of course we always recommend our customers that come into Bangkok. They the customers that come to Bangkok, they always want to know where they can buy some furniture and small things for in the house. So we recommend them to go and have a look at Home Pro. You have Index, and then of course IKEA. Yeah, I find the style and the setup of this IKEA very similar. I find the style and the setup of this mall very similar to the one in Central Westgate. And basically you can just walk around. There's a circle. Yeah, so this mall is being split up, and in the front you have the food area, you could say, kind of food court, where you have all the restaurants, and then here inside you have all the big shops. The IKEA that I was talking about, also if you want to buy an apartment, you can call me. So there is also Home Pro in here, and all the the big shops, they are represented. The Index. Yeah, so Mega Bangna is actually one of these places which is really good if you move to Bangkok and you need to buy some appliances or you need to buy some furniture, towels. Then this is a perfect mall where you can just find everything. Yeah, it's a bit out of town, so it's, let's say, halfway towards the airport, Suvarnabhumi. But most of these shops, they provide service that they will bring, they can deliver at home. And for example, with IKEA, it's very simple. If you buy something, they do home delivery, and also they can fix everything. So they can already make the closets for you and everything. So the mall has 2 floors. So let's see if I can get upstairs. Yeah, there's also a big central mall in here. Yeah, so by the way, Mega Bangna is part of Central. Okay, let's go one floor up. Yeah, so there is a big cinema in here as well, and a bowling alley. Yeah, so it's Wednesday now. It's almost 5 o'clock. And as you can see, it's not super busy. Let's go. Let me show you the bowling alley. So there's a bowling alley, there's a skating ring. I didn't know that, but I just noticed it now. That's always good when you're on the go. Yeah, but now during COVID, all these kind of facilities are closed now. So the cinema should still be open. Yeah, so for those who saw my Central Westgate video, you can really see that it's a very similar style. I'm pretty sure it's developed by the same developers. So here you have the Mega Cineplex, the Food Republic, Yeah, and then here in front you have the food section, which is yeah, it's almost, you could say, a separate mall. Yeah, here you have all the restaurants. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this update about the Mega Bangna Mall. If you did, and if you're interested in more things about Bangkok, then feel free to subscribe, and you can press the like button if you want, and see you guys in my next video.